Manila's Jam has been back, all set now, ready to race number 7. Oh, way they go. I am on fire. Henry Hill alongside his Manila's Gem. Henry Hill, I am on fire from the outside, moving up by the rail is Tink Tang alongside Manila's Gem. Golden Class Launlaan, Chief of Staff Alleluia is running at the tail of the field inside the last 900. Henry Hill running by the rail alongside his I am on fire. Golden Class racing in third by about 3 lengths, rushing up Manila's Gem in between runners alongside his Launlaan, Ting Tang, Chief of Staff Alleluia, and rounding the far turn Henry Hill, I am on fire. Golden Class is running by the rail. It's now Golden Class, Henry Hill, I am on fire. Manila's Gem is racing on the outside as they race the final corner. Golden Class by about 2 lengths, followed by Henry Hill. I am on fire on the outside is Manila's Gem. Last 150, Golden Class by about 2 lengths, and Manila's Gem on the outside. Last 75 meter, Golden Class from the trainership Alas Crisolo winning this race second. Manila's Gem, I am on fire. Launlaan and